Pernah membeli.
Oke, ya. Family gathering sama siapa? Di weekend kemarin sama teman-teman. Oke, that's good. Yeah. Anyone else? Hey, hello. How was your weekend? Is there any something special, something incredible to be shared to me before we start the class about your activities on your weekend?
Just so.
So it means nothing special. You just stay at home, laying down at your bed, and then while watching movie, watching Netflix, and then having some Indomie, and the weather is raining. Yeah,
And while eating Indomie.
I'm sleeping.
okay. Yeah, that is like the heaven of this world. When weekend is coming and the weather is raining, and then you just watching Netflix and while eating Indomie, it is like a heaven, right? Seperti surga gitu ya. Weekend hujan di kamar gitu ya, nonton film sambil makan Indomie. That's great. That's your weekend. Or anyone else, maybe you have like a very productive weekend, like still working. Ada yang masih kerja di weekend?
Very busy.
Enggak ya. Beberapa ada yang kerja juga di weekend. Okay, yeah, that's good. And we are going to continue to talk about our next topic. And this evening at 8 p.m. class, the host, tuan rumahnya, adalah teman-teman dari batch 53, if I am not mistaken. Ya, tuan rumahnya atau hostnya adalah teman-teman dari batch 53. Oke, kita akan mulai sebuah topik, tapi sebelum kita mulai ke topik lanjutan, saya mau review dulu terkait hal-hal yang memang sudah pernah kita pelajari sebelumnya. Karena biasanya teman-teman tuh lebih mudah lupa gitu ya. Oke, kita mulai dari random dulu deh. Teman-teman gimana kalau untuk melatih refleksnya? Cepet nggak kalau dikasih pertanyaan dengan random? Coba ya. Apakah kamu selalu bekerja di hari Senin?
Yes, you.
Do you?
Do you usually work?
Do you always work in
You
Monday?
always work.
Okay. Do you always work on Sunday? On Mondays? Ayo ulangin. Apakah kamu selalu bekerja di hari Senin?
Do you
always
on
work
Sunday?
on Monday?
On Monday.
Okay. Do you always work on Monday? Apakah kamu selalu bekerja di hari Senin? Oke, coba. Apa yang sedang kamu tunggu?
What are you
What?
waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Apa?
What are you
Apa yang sedang kamu tunggu? What are you waiting
for?
for? Oke, coba ulangin lagi. Apa yang sedang kamu tunggu?
What are you waiting
Are
for?
you
What are you
waiting
waiting
for?
for?
Oke, what are you waiting for? Oke, saya belum mandi.
I have not
I have
taken
I have not
Taken a
taken a
bath.
bath.
I have not taken a bath. Oke, belum mandi. Oke, coba ya. Saya atau kita sudah belajar dengan Mr. J selama 1 minggu.
We have
been
with Mr. Jess
studying
and
We
wait.
have been learning English
for 2 weeks.
with Mr. Jack for 1 week.
Okay, we have been learning with Mr. Jess for 1 week. We have been studying with Mr. Jess for one week. Nih, mikrofonnya kalau lagi bising minta tolong di mute teman-teman ya, biar tidak mengganggu konsentrasi teman-teman yang lainnya. Oke, coba kita review dulu deh. Beberapa teman-teman tadi belum pada kompak jawabnya. Kita ulang dari sini ya. Oke, misalkan kita buat contoh seperti ini. Ibuku memasak nasi setiap hari. My mom
My mom,
My mom
My mom
always
cooking
cook every day.
every day.
My mom
My
cooks
mother
rice
rice
every day.
Always.
Ibuku
Udah makan
tidak
ya?
masak nasi setiap hari.
Kok lama sekali kalau bos?
My mom doesn't cook
Doesn't
every
cook.
day.
my
Rice every day.
Oke, aduh, ini rame
Nanti jangan tunggu
lagi
dingin ya,
ya.
langsung saring, langsung cincang ya.
Dimatiin Bu mikrofonnya Bu. Lang, coba ya. Ibuku tidak memasak nasi setiap hari.
my mother doesn't
cook
cook
rice every
every
day.
day.
Oke, apakah ibuku masak nasi setiap hari?
Does my mom cook rice every day?
Oke, does my mom cook rice every day? Bukankah ibuku masak nasi setiap hari?
Doesn't my mom cook
rice
rice every day?
Siapa yang memasak nasi setiap hari?
Who is
cook
cook
rice every day?
Who cooks rice every day? Apa yang ibuku masak setiap hari?
What does mom cook every day?
Oke, what does my mom cook every day? Apa yang ibuku masak setiap hari? Kemudian, di mana ibuku masak setiap hari?
Where
My mom cook rice every day.
Where does my mom cook rice every day? Kapan ibuku memasak nasi?
When does my
When
mom
does
When
cook
was my
rice
mother
every
rice?
day?
cook rice?
Mengapa ibuku masak nasi setiap hari?
Why
Why
does
does
my
my
mom cook
mom
rice every day?
rice every day?
Oke, dengan siapa ibuku masak nasi setiap hari?
With
With
Does my
whom
mom
my
cook
mother
rice every
cook
day?
rice every day.
Oke, ya. Kemudian coba nasi siapa yang ibuku masak setiap hari?
Whose rice does my mom
Does my
cook
mom
every day?
Rice
every day?
cook my
Oke, ya.
every day.
Kemudian coba nasi yang mana yang ibuku masak setiap hari?
Which rice
Which
does my
rice
mom cook
Does my
every
mom
day?
cook every day?
Oke, bagaimana ibuku masak nasi setiap hari?
How
How
does
does
my
my mom
mom
cook
cook
rice
rice
every
every
Rice
day?
every day.
Oke, how does my mom cook rice every day?
day?
Kemudian coba ya. Saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang.
I'm
I
listening
am
now.
listening music right now.
I am listening to the music now. Ulangin coba, ayo. I am
I am
I am
listening to the music
listening to the music
now.
now.
music now.
Listening to the music now.
Saya tidak sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang.
I am not listening to the music now.
now.
Oke, kemudian coba. Apakah saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Am
Am
I
I
listening
listening to the
music
music
now?
Oke, am I listening to the music now? Bukankah saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Am I not listening to the music now?
I'm not. I
Oke, am I not listening to the music now? Siapa yang sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Who is listening to the music now?
To the music now.
now.
Oke, apa yang sedang saya dengarkan sekarang?
What am I
What am
listening
I listening now?
Ya, what am I listening to now?
to know?
Di mana saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Where am I
am I
listening to
listening
the
to
Ya, where am I listening to the music
music?
now? Kapan saya sedang mendengarkan musik?
When
am
am
I
I listening to the music?
Music.
Oke, mengapa saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Why am
Why
I
am
listening to the
I
music now?
listening to the music now?
Oke, dengan siapa saya sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
With
With
whom
whom
am I
am
listening to
I?
the music now?
Oke, musik siapa yang sedang saya dengarkan?
Whose music
Whose music
am I listening now?
am I listening?
Oke, musik yang mana yang sedang saya dengarkan?
Which music am I listening?
Oke, which music am I listening? Bagaimana saya sedang mendengarkan musik?
How am I listening
Into the music.
Oke, how am I listening to the music now? Oke, coba ya. Kita baru saja menjawab pertanyaan Mr. Jess.
We have
We have
just
just
answered
answered
Ya, we have just answered Mr. Jess' question.
question.
Oke, coba kalau kita belum menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess.
We
we
have not
haven't
we have not
Oke, we have not answered
answered
Mr. Jess'
question.
questions. Yan, coba. Apakah kita sudah menjawab pertanyaan Mr. Jess?
Have
We answer
answered
Mr.
Answer.
Jess' questions.
Ya, have we answered Mr. Jess' questions? Bukankah kita sudah menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
haven't
we
we answered Mr. Jess' question?
Mr. Jess' questions.
Oke, siapa yang baru saja menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
Who has answered Mr. Jess' question?
Who has just answered Mr. Jess' questions? Oke, apa yang baru saja kita jawab?
What
has just
Oke, what have we just answered? Di mana kita telah menjawab pertanyaan Mr. Jess?
where
have Mr. Jess' question?
Ya, kapan kita telah menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
when
When have we answered Mr. Jess'
Jess'
question?
questions.
Mengapa kita telah menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
Why have we answered Mr. Jess' question?
Mr. Jess' question.
Dengan siapa kita telah menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
With whom have
Have
we
we answered
answered Mr. Jess' question?
Oke, ya. Pertanyaan siapa yang telah kita jawab?
Whose question
have
Whose
we answered?
questions have we answered? Pertanyaan yang mana yang telah kita jawab?
Which question?
Questions have we answered?
Oke, bagaimana kita telah menjawab pertanyaannya Mr. Jess?
How we have answered Mr. Jess' question?
Have we answered
Okay,
Mr.
how
Jess'
have we
questions?
answered Mr. Jess' questions? Coba kita lanjut ke soal di nomor 4, misalkan seperti ini. Kita sudah belajar dengan Mr. Jess selama seminggu.
We have been
We have
studying
been
Mr.
studying
Jess for
this on 1 week.
Okay, we have been studying. Okay, we have been studying with
And
Mr. Jess for 1 week.
1 week.
Kita belum belajar dengan Mr. Jess selama seminggu.
We haven't been studying with Mr. Jess for 1 week.
Oke, apakah kita sudah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
Have we been studying with Mr. Jess for 1 week?
Oke. Bukankah kita sudah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
Haven't we
Haven't
been
we
studying
been
with Mr. Jess for 1 week?
Studying
Haven't we been studying English?
Siapa yang telah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
Who has been studying
With
with Jess for
Jess
1 week?
studying with Mr. Jess one
Oke.
week.
Apa yang telah kita pelajari dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
What have
What I been studying with Mr. Jet I week 1 week.
What have we been
What have we been studying with
studying?
Mr. Jess for 1 week? Di mana kita telah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
Where have we
Where
been
we
studying with
study
Jess for 1 week?
Mr. Jess.
Okay. Yeah, where have we been studying with Mr. Jess for 1 week? Kapan kita telah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
When have we been studying with Mr. Jess for 1
Mr.
week?
Jess for
Oke. Mengapa kita telah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
When have we been studying with Mr. Jess for 1 week?
Dengan siapa kita telah belajar selama seminggu?
with whom
Whom have we been studying for 1
been
week?
studying?
Oke. Bagaimana kita telah belajar dengan Mr. J selama seminggu?
How
Have we been studying with Mr. Jess for 1 week?
For 1 week.
Oke. Ya, coba sekarang kita masuk ke poin ke-5, yaitu tentang teman-teman menggunakan nanti past tense. Coba ya. Oke, di sini kita coba akan masuk pada penggunaan past. Mr. Jess, kenapa kita harus belajar past tense? Ya, karena teman-teman nanti ketika mungkin membuat contoh kalimat yang memang kalimat tersebut tuh sudah aktivitas tersebut tuh sudah terjadi di waktu lampau, maka mau nggak mau kalian tuh harus menggunakan past tense. Sama-sama mungkin menggunakan contoh kalimat dengan kata makan. Saya makan setiap hari dengan saya makan semalam. Beda. Kalau kalian mungkin ngomong saya makan setiap hari, pakainya adalah I eat every day.
Every day.
Tapi kalau kalian ngomong saya makan semalam, maka dia berganti jadi I ate last night. Oke, jadi itu teman-teman. Ya, nanti kata kuncinya di sini kalian harus tahu banyak tentang apa? Tentang kata kerja bentuk yang kedua. Coba misalkan nanti di sini kita bikin contoh. Coba ya. Oke. Ibuku memasak kemarin, berarti my mom
cook.
My mom cooked
Okay,
yesterday.
my mom cooked yesterday. Saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu.
I
I
went
went to Kampung Inggris.
Okay, I went to kampung Inggris 2 days ago. Saya bermain bola tadi malam.
I
I
played
played football.
Okay, I played football last night. Saya ketemu Mr. Jess tadi pagi.
I met Mr.
I met
Jess
Mr. Jess this morning. Oke, semalam bisa nyuri uangku.
Last night, Lisa stole
Ya, last night Lisa stole my money.
my money.
Oke, misalkan lagi. Ya, seminggu yang lalu ayahku beli mobil baru. My father bought a new car last week. Oke. Ya, kemudian coba ada contoh lagi, misal contoh kalimatnya kemarin gitu ya. Kemarin aku ngasih hadiah ke orang tuaku.
I given. Gave ya.
Okay.
Give.
Yesterday I gave
I gave
gift to my
gift to
parents.
my parents.
Oke, jadi salah satu kuncinya di sini teman-teman itu nanti harus tahu yang namanya kata kerja bentuk yang kedua. Itu untuk bikin contoh kalimat yang positif. Lalu bagaimana Mr. Jess kalau misalkan kita membuat 5 aturan bentuk kalimat dengan menggunakan past simple? Ayo coba kita buat di sini contoh sederhananya. Misalkan di sini kita buat contoh, saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu. Berarti apa?
I went
When
I went
to kampung Inggris.
kampung Inggris
Inggris
last
2 days,
2 days
2
ago.
days ago.
Fine.
Ya, saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu. Kemudian coba kalau saya tidak pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu, bagaimana Mr. Jess?
I didn't
I
go
didn't
to
go
Inggris
to
2 days
kampung.
ago.
Go to
Okay,
kampung
yeah,
Inggris.
I did not go to kampung Inggris 2 days ago.
Itu
Apakah saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu?
Did I go
I
to
go.
kampung Inggris 2 days ago?
I go to kampung Inggris
Okay, did
I
I
go
go to kampung Inggris 2 days
ago.
ago?
kampung
Ya, apakah saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu? Sekarang coba kita buat pertanyaan. Bukankah saya pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu?
Didn't I go to kampung
Okay.
Inggris 2 days ago?
Didn't I go
Go
to
to
kampung Inggris 2 days ago?
ago.
Siapa yang pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu?
Who
It
went to kampung Inggris 2 days ago?
Nah, who went to kampung Inggris 2 days ago. Ya, kemudian coba apa yang saya lakukan 2 hari yang lalu?
What did I do?
what did
Okay,
I
what did I do 2 days ago?
ago?
Kemana saya pergi 2 hari yang lalu?
Where did
Where
I go
did
2
I
days
go?
ago?
Ya, where did I go 2 days ago? Kapan saya pergi?
When
When
did I go?
I go?
Okay, when did I go? Kemudian, mengapa saya pergi 2 hari yang lalu?
Why
Why did I go 2 days ago?
Ya, why did I go 2 days ago? Dengan siapa saya pergi 2 hari yang lalu?
With whom did I go?
Okay,
2 days ago.
with whom did I go 2 days ago? Okay, kalau kalian bertanya dengan kata dengan siapa. Kemudian, coba kalau kita bertanya bagaimana kamu pergi ke kampung Inggris 2 hari yang lalu?
How did you do?
How
How
did
did
you
I go
I go?
to kampung Inggris 2 days ago? Ya, itu cara teman-teman nanti buat 5 contoh aturan bentuk kalimat dengan menggunakan apa? Menggunakan past simple. Jadi kita pakai verb 2-nya di mana Mr. Jess? Pakai verb 2-nya adalah ketika buat contoh kalimat positif sama bertanya dengan kata who. Ya, itu pakai when gitu ya. Selebihnya pakai apa? Selebihnya pakai did, dan pakai verb 1. Oke.
Did itu
Sekarang
wajib
coba.
ya, Mister?
Kenapa?
Did itu wajib berarti.
Ya, jadi pakai. Sekarang coba teman-teman yang praktek. Ayo, siapa yang mau coba? Ayo, siapa? Ayo, siapa yang mau coba buat 5 aturan bentuk kalimat dengan menggunakan apa? Dengan menggunakan past simple. Ayo,
Mr. Stephen.
Steven. Oke, ayo Steven coba. Hello, Steven. Where are you? Come on.
I
Sorry.
I went to beach yesterday.
Okay, and then?
I didn't go to the beach yesterday.
Okay, apakah?
Did I go to the beach yesterday?
Bukankah?
Didn't I go to the beach yesterday?
Siapa?
Who did go to the beach?
Who went to the beach
Who went,
2 days ago?
who went to
Okay.
the beach yesterday?
Okay, yesterday. Kemudian apa yang saya lakukan 2 hari yang kemarin? Sorry.
What did I do? What did I do yesterday?
Oke, kemana saya pergi 2 hari yang lalu? Apa kemarin?
Where did I go yesterday?
Ya, kapan saya pergi ke pantai?
When I go to the beach?
When did I?
When did I go to the beach?
Oke. Mengapa saya pergi ke pantai 2 hari yang lalu?
Why did I go to the beach yesterday?
Oke. Dengan siapa saya pergi ke pantai 2 hari yang lalu?
With whom did I go to the beach yesterday?
Oke. Bagaimana saya pergi ke pantai 2 hari yang lalu?
How did I go to the beach yesterday?
Oke. Ya. Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Sarah.
Sarah, coba ayo
Ya.
Sarah.
Sarah met her boyfriend yesterday.
Oke, Sarah ketemu pacarnya kemarin. Oke, then?
Sarah didn't meet her boyfriend yesterday.
Oke, apakah?
Did Sarah meet her boyfriend yesterday?
Ya, bukankah Sarah?
Didn't Sarah meet her boyfriend yesterday?
Oke, siapa yang bertemu?
Who met her boyfriend yesterday?
Oke, apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin?
What did Sarah do yesterday?
Oke, di mana kamu ketemu pacarmu kemarin?
Where did Sarah meet her boyfriend yesterday?
Oke, kapan kamu bertemu dengan pacarmu?
When did Sarah meet her boyfriend?
Oke, kemudian mengapa?
Why did Sarah meet her boyfriend yesterday?
Dengan siapa?
With whom did Sarah meet yesterday?
Oke, ya. Pacar siapa yang Sarah temui kemarin?
Whose boyfriend Sarah meet yesterday? Whose
Did
boyfriend did
Sarah-
Sarah meet yesterday?
Oke, pacar yang mana yang Sarah temui kemarin?
Which boyfriend did Sarah meet yesterday?
Oke, bagaimana Sarah bertemu pacarnya kemarin?
How did Sarah meet her boyfriend yesterday?
Okay, very good. Who wants to try again? Come on.
Faruk, Mister, Faruk.
Farouk. Okay, yeah, it's right now.
I gave some apple to my friend this morning.
Okay, and then?
I
Ayo, bisa.
didn't give some apple to my friend this morning.
Oke, apakah?
Did I give some apple to my friend this morning?
Oke, bukankah?
Didn't I give some apple to my friend this morning?
Oke, siapa?
Who gave apple to my friend this morning?
Oke, apa yang saya berikan?
What did I give to my friend this morning?
Oke, di mana saya memberi apel?
Where did I give apple to my friend this morning?
Oke, kapan?
When I did give some apple to my friend.
When did? Oke, mengapa?
Why did I give some apple to my friend this morning?
Dengan siapa?
With whom with whom did I give some apple to my friend this morning?
Oke, apel siapa yang kamu berikan?
Whose apple did I give to my friend this morning?
Oke, apel yang mana?
Which apple did I give to my friend this morning?
Oke, bagaimana?
How did I give some apple to my friend this morning?
Okay, very good. Who wants to try again?
Saya, Mister.
Yo, brother, what is your name?
Andre, Mister.
Okay, yo.
I'm going to work today.
Sorry?
I'm go. I'm go. I'm go to work.
I went.
I'm go to work today.
Okay, ya, Andre. Now we are talking about past simple. Jadi kita lagi ngobrol tentang penggunaan past simple tense, ya. Suatu kejadian yang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau. Jadi yang kamu gunakan itu nanti adalah verb 2. Andre join dari awal nggak tadi? Atau telat?
Telat, Mister.
Nah, pantesan. Oke.
Jadi pakainya yang mana,
Jadi kita
Mister?
dipakainya verb 2. Oke. Ya.
Contohnya gimana, Mister?
Contohnya, tadi kalau bilang saya pergi kemarin. I went to bla 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 yesterday. Pakainya verb 2.
Oh,
Ya.
when ya, yang when ya, Mister.
Ya, verb 2. Oke. Bisa nggak?
I went to go to the mall yesterday. Bisa itu, Mister.
Nah, nggak usah pakai go kalau sudah pakai went.
Oh, I went to mall yesterday. To the mall
Oke,
yesterday.
I went to the mall yesterday. Kalau tidak,
I didn't went to mall yesterday.
I didn't go to the mall
I didn't go
yesterday.
to mall yesterday.
Oke, apakah?
Did I go the mall
To
yesterday?
the mall yesterday. Bukankah?
Didn't I go to the mall yesterday?
Oke, siapa yang pergi ke mall kemarin?
With who did go who did go to
Who
the mall?
went?
Oh, who went go to the mall yesterday?
Gak usah pakai go.
Who went
Langsung saja. Nah,
mall
who went
yesterday?
to the mall
Mall
yesterday. Oke, kemudian coba. Apa yang saya lakukan kemarin?
What
What?
what did I doing yesterday?
What did I do yesterday?
What did I do yesterday?
Kemana saya pergi kemarin?
Where did I go yesterday?
Oke, kapan saya pergi ke mall?
When did I go to the mall yesterday?
Mengapa saya pergi ke mall kemarin?
Why did I go to the mall yesterday?
Dengan siapa kamu pergi ke mall kemarin?
With whom? With whom
Did I go?
did I go to the mall yesterday?
Bagaimana saya pergi ke mall kemarin?
How did I go to the mall yesterday?
Okay, very good. Who wants to try again?
Saya, Mister.
Okay, ladies first. Ladies, what is your name?
Karsila.
Karsila. Okay. Yeah.
I saw a rabbit yesterday.
I saw a rabbit yesterday. And then?
I did not see a rabbit yesterday.
Okay. Apakah?
Did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Bukankah?
Didn't I see a rabbit yesterday?
Okay. Siapa?
Who saw a rabbit yesterday?
Okay. Kemudian apa?
What did I say? I see a rabbit yesterday.
What did I see yesterday? Apa yang saya lihat kemarin? Okay. Di mana saya melihat rabbit kemarin?
Where did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Okay. Kapan saya melihat?
When did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Mengapa saya melihat?
Why did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Dengan siapa saya melihat?
With whom did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Ya, kelinci siapa yang saya lihat?
How did I see a rabbit
Tidak,
yesterday?
kelinci siapa? Whose rabbit?
Whose rabbit did I see
Did I see yesterday?
yesterday?
Oke, kemudian rabbit yang mana yang saya lihat kemarin?
Pakai which ya, Mister?
Ya, which rabbit?
Which rabbit did I see yesterday?
Ya, bagaimana saya melihat?
How did I see a rabbit yesterday?
Oke, very good. Want to try again? Boy, tadi cowok
Saya,
siapa yang
Mister.
coba?
Saya
Oke,
Andang.
ya,
I playing football yesterday.
oke. You have to use verb to, brother.
You dua playing ya?
Played.
Played.
Nah, coba ayo.
I played football yesterday.
Oke.
I didn't play football yesterday.
Oke.
I didn't play
Apakah? Apakah?
Didn't did I play football yesterday?
Oke, bukankah?
Bukankah? Did I
Didn't I?
play football yesterday?
Oke, siapa?
Who did play? Who
Who
did play
played? Langsung kedua.
football yesterday?
Oke, who played football yesterday? Apa
Who-
yang kamu mainkan kemarin?
What did play yesterday?
What did I play
Play.
yesterday?
Okay. Yesterday.
Oke, ya kemudian di mana saya bermain?
Where I did
Where
Play.
did?
Where did I play yesterday?
Oke, kapan saya bermain?
When did I play?
Oke, mengapa saya bermain?
Why did I play
Play football
football yesterday?
yesterday. Dengan siapa saya bermain football kemarin?
With whom did I play football yesterday?
Oke, bagaimana saya bermain bola kemarin?
How did I play football yesterday?
Oke, how did I play football yesterday? Oke, who wants to try again?
Saya Mister
What is your name?
Yahya.
Ya.
I visited grandma last month.
Oke.
I didn't visited. I didn't visit grandma last month.
Oke, apakah?
Did I visit grandma last month?
Bukankah?
Didn't I visit grandma last month?
Siapa?
Who visited grandma last month?
Apa?
What did I visit grandma last month?
Oke. Di mana?
Where did I visit grandma last month?
Kapan?
When did I visit grandma last month?
Mengapa?
Why did I visit grandma last month?
Dengan siapa?
With whom did I visit grandma last month?
Oke. Grandma siapa yang saya kunjungi?
Whose grandma did I visit last month?
Grandma yang mana?
Which grandma did I visit last month?
Bagaimana?
How did I visit grandma last month?
Okay, very good. Is there any one of you wants to try again?
Saya boleh deh.
Okay, what is your name, sister?
Nana.
Nana, come on.
She slept well last night.
Okay, she slept well last night. And then?
She didn't sleep well last night.
Okay. Apakah?
Did she sleep well last night?
Bukankah?
Didn't she sleep well last night?
Ya, siapa?
Who slept well last night?
Who slept well last night?
Who slept well last night?
Apa yang dia lakukan semalam?
What did she does ya? Okay.
What did she do last?
Okay. What did she do last night?
Oke, di mana dia tidur semalam?
Where did she sleep last night?
Where did she sleep well
last night?
Oke, kapan?
When did she sleep well last night?
Mengapa?
Why did she sleep well last night?
Dengan siapa?
With whom did she sleep well last night?
Oke, bagaimana?
How did she sleep well last night? Sleep well last night.
Okay. Want to try again? Oke, bisa ya? Bisa. Nah, sekarang coba Mr. Jess itu kok ada dua Mr. Jess, ada yang verbal, ada yang nominal. Nah, di sini tadi teman-teman yang barusan buat contohnya itu adalah yang verbal atau yang ada kata kerja yang mengindikasikan sebuah aksi. Nah, kalau nominal kita yang pakainya apa Mr. Jess? Kalau nominal teman-teman nanti pakainya adalah was
Was dan
atau were. Misalkan aku sangat bahagia semalam. Berarti gimana? I was
happy last night.
okay. I was so happy last night. Itu kalau kalian nanti mungkin membuat contoh kalimat, saya bahagia banget semalam, gitu ya. I was so happy last night. Oke, misalkan lagi, gitu ya. Ayahku tuh seorang prajurit ya 50 tahun yang lalu.
My father
Ya, my father was
uh,
a soldier. Oke, ya. Apa? 50 years ago. 50 tahun yang lalu. Oke. Aku lagi di US minggu lalu.
I was in US
Last
week.
week. Ya, jadi ini teman-teman ya. Ada kata sifat, ada kata benda gitu ya. Ada juga adverb. Jadi itu identik dengan teman-teman yang kalian kenal dengan istilah 3C. Jadi 3C itu apa Mr. Jess tadi ya? Ada adjective, noun, sama adverb. Jadi kalau kalian mau buat contoh dengan menggunakan kata past tense, tapi kok di situ tidak ada kata kerjanya, ya pasti kalian bisa menggunakan ini nih. Adjective, noun, sama adverb. Pakainya adalah was atau were. I was so sad last night. Why were you so sad? Gitu ya. When I was child, jika aku masih kecil, itu silahkan ya. Teman-teman ya, itu penggunaan was sama were itu juga bagian daripada simple past, tapi dia untuk yang nominal. Apa nominal? Yang nggak ada kata kerja aksi. Terus kalau nggak ada kata kerja aksi, yang dipakai apa? Yang dipakai adalah 3C. Apa 3C? Adjective, noun, atau adverb. Itu contohnya. Sekarang coba kita masuk ke latihan yang ada di soal. Oke, misalkan di situ ada Michael visited USA last week. Berarti kalau kita membuat contohnya menjadi negatif, jadinya gimana?
Michael didn't visit
to USA last week.
Oke, Michael didn't visit to USA last week. Kalau apakah Michael?
Did Michael
visit to USA last week?
Bukankah Michael?
Didn't Michael
visit to USA last week?
Siapa yang berkunjung ke US minggu lalu?
Who visited USA last night?
Oke. Ya, kemudian apa yang Michael kunjungi bulan lalu?
What did Michael visit
last week?
What did Michael visit?
Kemana Michael berkunjung minggu lalu?
Where did Michael visit
last week?
Oke. Kapan Michael berkunjung ke US?
When did Michael
visit USA?
Oke. Mengapa Michael berkunjung ke US?
Why did Michael visit last week?
Dengan siapa Michael berkunjung ke US?
With whom did Michael visit to US?
Bagaimana Michael berkunjung ke US?
How did Michael visit US last week?
Okay, how did Michael visit US last week? Coba di sini. Mr. Tim did not teach me yesterday. Artinya apa?
Mr. Tim tidak
tidak
mengajar
mengajar
saya
hari ini.
kemarin.
Oke, kalau dirubah ke positif,
Mr. Tim
Mr. Tim
teach
didn't
me yesterday.
did teach me
Mr.
yesterday.
Tim taught me
Oh
yesterday.
ya, taught me
oke, Mr. Tim taught me
yesterday.
yesterday. Apakah Mr. Tim?
Did Mr.
Tim
Mr. Tim
teach me yesterday?
Mr.
Ya,
Tim
did Mr. Tim teach me yesterday? Bukankah Mr. Tim?
Didn't Mr. Tim
Mr. Tim
Mr.
me
Tim
Yesterday.
Didn't Mr. Tim teach me yesterday? Siapa yang mengajariku kemarin?
who did
Who did
teach
teach me
Who taught me yesterday?
taught me
Oke.
yesterday?
Apa yang Mr. Tim ajarkan kemarin?
What did Mr. Tim
What did Mr. Tim
What
teach me
did
yesterday?
Mr. Tim teach yesterday?
yesterday?
Teach yesterday.
Kemudian coba di mana Mr. Tim mengajar kemarin?
Where did
Mr.
Mr. Tim
teach me yesterday?
Yesterday.
Oke. Kapan Mr. Tim mengajar?
When did Mr.
did Mr.
teach
Tim
me
teach yesterday?
teach
Oke.
Me.
Ya, when did Mr. Tim teach me? Kemudian coba mengapa Mr. Tim mengajariku kemarin?
Why
Why
did
did
Mr. teach me yesterday?
Teach me yesterday.
Oke, why did Mr. Tim teach me?
Yesterday.
Oke, ya kemudian dengan siapa Mr. Tim mengajariku?
With whom?
With whom did Mr.
Mr.
Tim teach me yesterday?
Teach me yesterday.
Oke, bagaimana Mr. Tim mengajariku kemarin?
How
How
did
did Mr. Tim teach me yesterday?
teach me yesterday?
Oke, ya itu teman-teman bagian pas ya. Jadi satu kompetensi lagi yang teman-teman memang harus sudah bisa di bagian ini. Ya silakan teman-teman nanti dipraktekkan terus gitu ya. Karena ini hal yang sebenarnya sering kita gunakan sehari-hari juga gitu ya. Tapi kalau kalian nggak sering-sering mempraktekannya, ya nanti pasti pelan-pelan kalian bakalan lupa. Jadi pokoknya prakteknya menggunakan 5 aturan bentuk kalimat ini gitu ya, biar teman-teman nanti makin terbiasa. Ya. Oke. Ada pertanyaan? Masih ada waktu 4 menit. Silakan yang mau nanya.
Mister, izin bertanya, Mister.
Oke.
Bagian bisa jelaskan yang bagian question words, Mister, yang menanyakan subjek dan menanyakan selain subjek.
Oke. Ya, apa yang dimaksud dengan menanyakan subjek dan menanyakan selain
Ya,
subjek?
Mister.
Oke, yang dimaksud dengan menanyakan subjek itu kan kita bisa pakai who ya. Nah, contohnya siapa yang berbicara bahasa Inggris kemarin? Who spoke English yesterday? Terus yang bawah kok pakai what, Mr. Jess? What stole my quiz last night? Karena ini menanyakan selain manusia. Kalau kalian bertanya subjek tapi selain manusia, mungkin hewan, mungkin kucing, nggak mungkin di sini kita pakainya who. Pakainya adalah what. What stole my quiz last night? Ya, itu kalau mungkin menanyakan subjek selain manusia. Kalian bisa pakai what. Oke. Seperti itu ya.
Baik, terima kasih, Mister.
Oke. Jadi nanya subjek itu kalau subjeknya manusia pakainya who, kalau bukan manusia pakainya adalah what. Oke. Ada yang mau nanya lagi?
Saya mau tanya yang tadi yang eh, apa yang dia kerjakan kemarin.
Ah,
Jadinya kan what did she do last night? Nah,
ya,
do-nya ini bukan yang biasa kita kenal kan pakai do sama das ya, tapi di sini untuk past tense
ya.
dia pakai das.
Dia pakai do. Do-nya itu
Do,
adalah dia
ya.
do sebagai aktivitas, bukan kata kerja bantu.
Bukan kata kerja bantu berarti. Oke.
Bukan. Ya, apa yang dia lakukan.
Ya.
Oke.
Oh ya, kata kerja bantunya jadi did ya.
Ya, yang kata kerja bantunya did, yang kata kerja aslinya adalah yang do.
Do, oke.
Oke, yang lain silakan. Ada yang mau bertanya lagi? Sudah bisa teman-teman? Tinggal dilatih terus ya. Kadang-kadang ini libur 2 hari aja. Tadi kayaknya banyak yang, aduh pada diam-diam gitu ya. Ini diam-diam lupa atau gimana ini? Jadi silakan gitu ya. Mumpung masih terus berlanjut. Pokoknya terus tiap hari kalian dipraktekkan gitu ya. Biar apa? Biar nggak lupa. Karena masalah kalian tuh sebenarnya bukan pada tidak bisanya, tapi pada gampang lupanya dan sulit untuk mengingatkan kembali. Ya kenapa seperti itu? Ya karena teman-teman mungkin kurang mempraktekkan. Jadi silakan teman-teman ya tiap hari ya mungkin di pagi atau di siang atau di sore cobalah latihan membuat 5 aturan bentuk kalimat biar teman-teman nanti ya tidak gampang lupa. Lebih ke situ saja sih. Oke. Ya, that's all. It has been 9. Udah jam 9 malam, teman-teman. Kita ketemu lagi besok ya di jam yang sama dengan link Zoom yang sama. Okay, thank you everyone for coming to this class this evening, and we are going to see you again tomorrow at the